Roblox Error 277 is a common connection error that prevents players from joining games. It displays as failed to join the game, error code 277. This error typically indicates an issue on the player's end, not with Roblox's servers. Roblox games rely on TCP/IP for connections between your device and Roblox's servers. Error 277 occurs when your device cannot establish a stable connection within the required timeframe. This can happen due to network instability, VPNs, firewalls, or outdated Roblox versions. While Roblox has made infrastructure improvements, such as Project Nebula to optimize server distribution, Error 277 still occurs, especially during peak usage or in areas with unreliable internet. It affects all platforms, but mobile users experience it more often due to variable network quality. Start with basic checks. Restart Roblox, your device, and your router to clear any temporary issues. Then ensure you have a stable internet connection with at least 5 Mbps download speed. Next, adjust your network settings. Disable any VPNs or proxies that might interfere with connections. Temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus software, or add Roblox as an exception. For platform-specific steps, on PC or browser, clear your browser cache and try incognito mode, or use the Roblox app. Mobile users should switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data, update the app, or reinstall it. Console users should ensure the app is updated and connect via Ethernet. For advanced fixes, flush your DNS cache by running ipconfig/flush DNS in the command prompt. You can also use Roblox's built-in connection troubleshooter tool. To prevent Error 277, keep your devices and apps updated, use wired connections when possible, and avoid unofficial fixes that could violate Roblox's terms of service.